Hey there, Heather Boyd here, and welcome to day 1 of the 10-day gratitude journal challenge. This challenge was inspired by my dear friend Allison. She created several gratitude journals that were totally inspirational. We created a book in her honor with some of her beautiful pages from her gratitude journal. I'm starting this challenge on June 12th because today is Allison's birthday. You can learn more about Allison and her journey in the description below the video. We used to work together at the local art school and we did lots of arts and crafts together and totally inspired each other. This is my gratitude journal that I created in her honor with lots of unexpected inspiration. I'll also link up where you can purchase this 8x8-inch sketchbook. I just love the square size. And without further ado, let's get into today's challenge. Today we're exploring collage. I made this cool gratitude journal cover at a workshop with an organization called Vent Over Tea in Montreal. It was a really fun meetup doing arts and crafts, making collage, drawing on the cover. It was a really fun experience. And here is my gratitude journal inspired by Allison. This is my first page with some collage and drawing with pencil crayon. This is how I started doing the book. It's really fun exercise, just gluing on images and coloring with color pencil. Here's another project I did that is basically just collage, but putting images that inspire. It was more of a vision board done on 8.5 by 11 paper, and I did this as part of a business class where we were trying to create our vision. Here's another one with photos of sunsets and pictures out of magazines, another one from my cottage, and these are magazine pages that are torn instead of cut. Here's another page where I cut out a picture of a dog and I spread the pieces apart just for fun and did some more collage and also colored in with color pencil. Here's the finished piece. Here's another page and I cut out a bunch of pieces from magazines and some sheet music and then did some silhouettes of people that I traced from magazine pictures. And here's the finished piece. It looks really cool. And another one where I glued in pictures from the magazine and colored around it. Had a lot of fun making the mermaid. Here's the finished piece with the nice sunset. And another one with more cutouts and words. And lots of little doodles in the background. It's always fun to doodle around your collage. Here's some patterns to inspire. And the finished piece from the book. This one centered around some fun phrases and the photos of the pigeons. And I drew the rest around to make it into a complete picture. This one I had a lot of fun with. I just cut out a face and some hair and the hands and a little bit of green for the landscape, and I drew the rest with color pencils. You can see the sky is the limit for these collage projects, especially when you add your own drawings around the collage with color pencils, markers, whatever medium you have on hand. Thanks so much for watching the video. You can share photos of your work from this challenge in my private Facebook group. I'm going to link that up below. Thank you so much to my dear friend Allison for inspiring this challenge. Have fun with the challenges, and we'll see you the next time. And always remember that art is never a waste of time.